Welcome back to Intables, everyone. So again, going over my daily plan on exactly how I plan on playing into the SPY. Again, we're leading into Wednesday's Fed minutes. We have multiple Feds also speaking on Tuesday. Again, we have Fed's Mester speaking at Tuesday, 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time. We have Fed George speaking at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Time. And then we have Fed Bullard speaking on Tuesday at 2:45 Eastern Time. So we're going to keep that in watch. Again, they're all going to be part of this FOMC on Wednesday. So we're going to see exactly what they say. They may give us early indicators on exactly what may happen going into Fed minutes. So keep that in mind. Again, here, as we are testing our 20-day moving average here, will we continue on with this strength? I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. Now, before I jump into this, you guys can do me a huge favor, smash that like button if you find this video useful at all. Hit subscribe if you want to see my daily plan on exactly how I plan on playing into the market every single day. We go over candle structure, overall strength levels, and any key indicators that we need to be focused on. And again, if you are a day trader or you are looking for very volatile breakouts that we mention every single day in the Instables, and again, we mention any breakout that is worth looking at throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on the SPY, just keeping in mind that we have Fed minutes on Wednesday, and that's very much going to predicate exactly where we're headed next. But I wanted to jump into the DXY. Again, this is the dollar. Our strength against the market has been the dollar. As you guys can see, again, we did have a gap down, so we had a nice momentum move in the market. However, as you guys can see, we are sitting in consolidation, looking to see if we will bounce up from this possible bear flag, or if we will possibly continue on lower. We're going to keep that in mind, again, leading into this week, as we are leading into Wednesday's Fed rate hike. Again, we have Thursday's Thanksgiving, so the market will be closed, and the market will be closing early on Friday. So we'll see exactly what happens here if we get a bounce for that possible cool down in the market. So just keeping the dollar in mind as we are sitting in consolidation after a major move down. If we have a major move up, if we possibly fill those gaps on the dollar, then we could possibly cool down here. So again, keeping that in mind. Now, as you guys can see, again, we are getting a slight rejection to the downside, not much of one. We actually have a spinning top doji here on the SPX. So very much showing us that we are within an indecisive move. And looking at our overall strength here, as you guys can see, we have our EMA lines pointing up. We have a decrease in buy pressure here on a cool down, looking for proof of concept to show us that we are going to increase in strength, looking to see if we can break above our prior buy pressure points will be very key for that continuation on higher and that major rally that we're looking for. However, if we are looking for that cool down in the market, if we're looking for that possible major move lower, again, looking back in 2018, just before December, we had very similar movement here. As you guys can see, again, we did have bulls that wanted to come in. However, as you guys can see, we did have a pullback and we did have that major sell-off. So again, keeping this structure in mind that this very much could happen. We could have a major red candle if, again, our FOMC meeting possibly is very bearish. And then we have that possible anticipation on the Feds possibly not pivoting into December. So again, just keeping that in mind, again, very similar to what we have now on a bullish spike here with anticipation, looking to see if we will confirm this anticipation. Again, we have been getting anticipation from Tim Morose mentioning a possible Fed pivot about 3 weeks ago now. And then we got our decrease in CPI. So looking to see if we will confirm this anticipation leading into December with our FOMC minutes this Wednesday. Again, very much going to be on watch. Now, as far as if we have room to another upside, as you guys can see, looking at our RSI, again, we are pointing up. We are not breaking into higher highs here. We actually have lower highs here, looking to see if we will continue on with lower highs here. If we get a possible rejection at this point, then we can confirm that we are possibly on a cool down. However, if we are not dropping below our 20-day here, then in my opinion, we are still looking for more consolidation till we get a better bearish candle setup if we're going to continue on lower here. So again, just keeping that in mind. And again, this Wednesday's Fed minutes is very much going to be on watch. And again, like I said, 3 Feds will be speaking the day before Fed minutes. That very much could give us early signals on what Fed minutes may come out as. Again, that's a huge tip in my opinion. That's going to give us possible answers to what the market may do leading into the next day. That could be a possible major move right before Thanksgiving, and a very nice Thanksgiving that you will enjoy if they do give us early signals on Wednesday. So again, keeping that in mind. And again, I hope you guys are having a blessed weekend. We will continue to go at it in the Intables room. If you guys are day traders, if you are looking for very volatile breakouts, we mentioned any breakout that is worth looking at throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below. And only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you Instables, I appreciate you guys again just staying patient here. If we do continue on higher, again, not much room to run to the upside as we are leading into Thanksgiving. We will see if we do test our upper end of our channel. And if we do, again, get our bullish candle set up on the upper end of our channel, or if we do cool down, drop below our 20, and we get our EMA lines crossing below the median for MACD here for that possible continuation lower, and looking for discounts in the market if that does happen. But again, very much looking for what this decrease in CPI anticipation and where it will take us from here and how we will hold the upper end of our channel. It's going to be very interesting how this plays out here. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.